Okay, in this tutorial we're just going to have a look at this model again here. This was built in a previous tutorial where we just created a couple of rooms, so I've gone on and finished that out. So this is the model as you see it now. So we can see there, let's click away from that maybe. So that's the room here, office 1, there's office 2, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do now is start popping in the windows. So if I go back to the plan view here, we can see where the windows are, so here, 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 and I'll just find office 1 there, so that's now selected. And now what I'm going to do is add the windows in. So we do this by using the add window tool. So as I said before, we worked from left to right, so floors, rooms. Now we're going to add windows. So we click on the add window, and then we can set up the glazing type, sill height, and then the height of the glass itself in here. So I'm going to accept the defaults. And what we do is we find the edge, so we click in here, so that's the space selected, and then we simply drag out endpoint to endpoint where we want the window to exist. So let's grab that endpoint there, and that's my window in. You know the window is in when you see that symbol there. So that's your visual identification in a plan that the window has gone in. So right click and I'll finish that. Now I'm going to go to the adjacent room here, which is office 2, and just simply repeat the process. Okay, so here's office 2 selected, and I'm going to click here. So that's that done. Click there, and then just drag it out like so. So that's my next window in. So you'll notice that in the hierarchy here under the office 2, the same thing occurs in office 1. We have internal floor, ceiling, and all the rest. And on the exposed wall in question here, that one now has a window associated with it. So this is now hosting, this exposed wall is hosting this window. That's what's going on there. So as I said before, we can see the symbol here showing us that it exists. And if we go back and have a look in a 3D view, we will see it's in here somewhere. So I'm just going to spin this around, get a look. And there you go. So we can see our 2 windows have gone in. And indeed you can see through them. So you can see to the other side of the buildings there. Alright, simple as that. Thank you very much.